Hi, my name is Sachin Shivnath. I'm going to present about the Sprint 2 retrospective assignment task 4. A project title Warehouse Management System, client name Nishad Ali. Our project team, our Sprint 1 use cases. As per the requirement, acceptance criteria and the priority. As an administrator of the system, I must have the option to search the products in the warehouse with the help of the system. There must be an option provided to the admin so that he could search the product in the warehouse as the priority is high. As an administrator of the system, I must have the option to view all the transactions that are made with the system. As per the acceptance criteria, there must be an option provided to the admin to view all the transactions made using the system. These are the other use cases and their priorities and the acceptance criteria. The work done on the Sprint 1 Gantt chart, the work done by the individuals and the tasks and the days they have spent, the team development of the basic modules for the system in which transactions, stock management and crude operations are included. The wish list, which is the goal is to complete the Sprint 2 and all the tasks that are included in it. We have started with some basic yet important modules of the system, which are transaction modules, stock management modules, and some of the other in which crude operations are involved. The project completion is divided in 3 different sprints. The second sprint includes the development of the modules such as transaction modules, stock management modules, and report generation modules, and etc. For the first module, which is our transaction module, we have started working on developing the database so that we can be able to entertain the data that is gathered from different transactions can be entertained in the database. The expectations and accomplishment as a team. Expectations are during the Sprint 2, we will implement the core functions of our project within the time frame indicated in our Gantt chart. In Sprint 3 is the third sprint of our project. After dividing the work into different modules and after the successful completion of Sprint 1, we are now going to implement Sprint 2 and all modules that are developed in this phase. Accomplishments, which are currently our team is working on the building the database, and once we have created all the tables needed for the Sprint 2, we'll move on work on the user stories that were previously outlined in the roadmap, and storyboard will begin. We believe that by working together we will be able to achieve our task. As per the individual components, the task completion with respect to each group member. As per my role, I have applied the stream specific knowledge by working on the sequence diagram, by working on the report generation module, transaction module, billing module, and also by working on making the transaction module. What I accomplished in the past sprint. The task that we accomplished during the past sprint was add product module, delete product module. What did I learn from the past sprint? I have learned to create the sequence diagram of the project and its importance, and I've also worked on different crude operations. What could have gone better in the sprint? Time management should be properly done so that each and every task in the sprint is done on time.